What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now, do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now, do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Today, as always, we are knee deep into another full day in the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Currently, right now, Bitcoin is just above $60,000, looking like we're $60,000, $60,015. The Bitcoin dominance is pumping strong. You guys, please pay attention to that. That is one of the greatest indicators that we have at this particular point in the cycle. Bitcoin dominance is pumping strong at 56.5. Previously, the largest that we saw the Bitcoin dominance was 56.4. So currently right now, 56.5 Bitcoin dominance, excellent level, excellent indicator saying that we're going to continue to increase the Bitcoin dominance as we look forward to hitting 59, 60% on the Bitcoin dominance indicator. The fear and greed index is starting to pump up just a little bit. We are sitting at a level of 38. Ethereum is starting to increase as Bitcoin increase, but it's still pretty much just trading sideways as it's been throughout the past few months. Ethereum is sitting at $2,400. Ethereum dominance is 13.9%. So those are some of the indicators we like to pay attention to and watch every day. But let's go ahead and get into the coin of the day. The coin of the day is none other than CKB is the ticker symbol for Nervos Network. Nervos Network is one of those coins that you rarely hear about. This is one of the coins that's been sitting under the radar. Nobody's talking about this coin, but this coin does have some interesting things behind it. It does have some interesting numbers behind it. We're going to get into all of that. Currently, right now, Nervos Network is sitting at the number 90th largest cryptocurrency coin in the world. It finally hit the top 100 list. Price right now is 0.014. This thing is a penny and a half. 0.014. Overall market cap is $663 million market cap. So it's in the top 100. Definitely not a small cap coin, not a meme coin. This is a solid layer one coin. Now, one of the things I like to pay attention to with some of the coins at this particular time of the cycle is how it performed during the baby altcoin season. And you guys all know that I said the baby altcoin season started in January 2024 and it ran through March, April maybe of 2024. So currently, January 2024, this doggone coin got down to 0.003. In March 2024, at the top of the baby altcoin season, this coin got to 3 cents. That was a 10x. This coin already did a 10x during the baby altcoin season. Also, like I mentioned to you guys, a lot of the coins, as well as Bitcoin, have just about reset. Most recently, over the past few weeks, these doggone coins have reset back to the low levels that they were in January 2024. So we've seen Nervos Network already do a 10x during the baby altcoin season. If you take a look at last week, Nervos Network had got back down to 0.006, 0.007. Currently, right now, it's 0.014. So this thing is up 100% over the past week, over the past few days. That right there should bring some attention to this coin. Your antenna should raise up. This coin should be on your radar. Also, if you take a look at this coin, if you go back to the inception of this coin, when this coin first came out, January 2020, this coin was released at 6 cents. Now, this was the first time that this coin entered a bull market, first time that it experienced altcoin season. So in 2021, when the altcoin season hit, this coin got to 4 cents. So from 0.006 to 4 cents during the altcoin season, this coin only did a 6x. Now, if you take a look at so many other coins, when they experience their first bull market, their first altcoin season, these coins do like a 40x, like a 200x, 300x. This particular coin only did a 6x. Now, if you take a look at the price that it's at right now, the price that it's at right now is just below 2 cents. The all-time high for this coin is 4 cents. So this coin is very close to hitting its all-time high. This coin will hit its all-time high. It will break its all-time high for the simple fact that when it did go through its first bull market, its first altcoin season 2020, 2021, and it didn't really have a super blowout altcoin season performance, only did a 6x. And if you take a look at 2024, the baby altcoin season from January, this thing did a 10x. It already outperformed from what it did during the altcoin season from 2021. Now that right there should say a whole bunch. That right there is letting me know that CKB Nervos network token is going to have a great performance during this particular cycle. Didn't perform well last bull market, 2020, 2021. This bull market, I'm expecting this thing to really have a great pump, great explosion. It already had a 10x explosion January 2024. This thing will be having a blow off top this particular altcoin season. I'm expecting this doggone coin to really get refreshed and to really get juiced and pumped. I'm expecting a 20x pump minimum for this doggone coin, CKB Nervos network. And if it was to do a 20x, you're talking about a 30-cent token. That'll only place this coin at a $13 billion market cap. And a $13 billion market cap is not going to be nothing for the overall market cap that the cryptocurrency space as a whole will be sitting at. So bull market, super cycle, I am expecting some exciting things for these doggone altcoins. Nervos network, CKB, you might want to wait till this coin pull back, wait till I have a little bit of a correction, but who knows? It may not have a correction. There are some other coins that are in the background. I'm sure you guys are watching them. These coins are starting to explode. We understand that Q4 typically is when these coins, altcoin season, really start to kick in. Everybody been saying, oh, September is going to be a red month. September is going to be down. When everybody is saying the same thing, you better watch out. You better go the other way. So when everybody started saying that, I said, you know what? September is probably going to be green. Let me go ahead and continue loading up the boat and expect to start benefiting and taking advantage of altcoin season a little bit early, expecting to take advantage of these green months a little bit early. Election season is coming up, 55 days, 50 days away. We're about 1 week away from the Fed meeting. We're expecting the Feds to do the interest rate cuts. There's so many things that are on the table right now that is indicating that we are in the midst of a super cycle of an altcoin season. I'm expecting this thing to perform like none other. So make sure you guys dollar cost averaging in, buying these doggone coins when they're beat down. Come on over there, join us in the Patreon. I'm constantly listing coins, listing charts, giving encouragement, motivation, holding your hand to make sure that we cross the finish line together as a doggone team. But like I say, I just come to you every day just to continue to give you a little bit of encouragement. Coming to y'all every day to give y'all that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.